So my name is Laura Van Dyke and I am studying designer maker here in Hastings, and I am currently exhibiting my work at our degree show. My work summed up would just be the idea of textile surfaces as 3D objects. So my main passion was sort of designing fabrics and designing prints, and I wanted to make that a bit more unique by having pieces that I have made the surfaces of and then make them into one-of-a-kind unique pieces. So that's what I've done here. So I was originally at another course in London, and unfortunately I found that course a bit unguided, I should say. So I moved down to Hastings with my family, and then in doing that I found all the short courses here, and after doing those I was inspired to start up doing the BAs. So it really all worked out from doing the small courses that are offered here, and then learning the teachers, learning what all the facilities are, and then starting up here. So the past 3 years have been really good because I've been able to explore sort of every angle I've wanted to explore, in that I sort of came in here with my knowledge of textiles and actually garment making, but I ended up doing something far more creative in a way. It wasn't anything to do with replicating like I'd learnt previously, but I could learn all the techniques I've learnt doing my ceramic training in year 1, my print training in year 1, and bring that into my textiles that I've now done here in year 3. So the classes are fantastic. They're a really good size, so you're never feeling swamped or as if there's too much going on at once. And it's really nice, the teachers are always there, and not only that, your fellow students are always there. There's always someone to talk to, and it's actually really nice to hear other people's opinions, and it really helps keep your project going. So being a prize winner was just completely unexpected. Like, I walked in and my tutor was there and said, just to let you know, have a look because you've won something. And I was completely over the moon. I wasn't expecting anything at all. So to sort of see that validation really means quite a lot. So it's done by this gallery in Hastings, which it's completely unbelievable to me. And then it's been a sort of a week of good news, because on top of that I did get the news earlier in the week that I'd be exhibiting in a gallery in London. So for me it's just been a really good end to a fantastic week.